Want to start coding but don't know where to begin? Let's learn Java basic in simple way possible, even if you are complete beginner. Hi everyone, welcome back to a Code with HyperX. In this video, we will start with Java fundamentals, which is the foundation of backend development. By the end of this video, you will understand what is Java, how Java works, basic syntax of Java, and we will write also first program in Java. After that, we will start with the variables and data types. First, we will understand what is Java. Java is the high-level object-oriented programming language used to build web applications, mobile apps, Android apps, and backend systems. How Java works internally, we will start. First, we will write the Java code in human-readable format. After that, the compiler comes in the picture. The compiler compiles the source code into a bytecode. Bytecode is only under machine understandable code. Then JVM take this code and runs it, and we will get finally output. In source code is with Java extension file, and bytecode is a dot class file. How the run code? There are two steps for the running compilation and running state. For the running program, we have command given java c file name dot java, and second command for the running the class file java c class name, which is we have given in the code. Let's open the VS Code and create open one with in one folder. Create one Java file like hello dot java. Okay. After that, we have to write the Java code. We Let's understand the code. The class is a keyword used for the declaring the class. Without class, we cannot write the program in Java. In latest version, we can write without class also. Hello is our class name, which is given to the class for the particular. It is recommended that the class name and file name should be the same. Public means the method should be accessible from anywhere in the program. A static keyword used for the calling the method on the class name. We will learn what is a static and all the keywords. Main method is a starting point of the Java program. And system dot out dot println, it is a method used to print on the console what we have written method double quotes which is printed on the console. Let's run the program. Just open it in the terminal. Let's compile the code using javac command. You can see the code is a compile and we get the dot class file here. Let's run the using the Java command. Here we will get the hello world output. Let's start with variable. Variable are used to store the data what we have. It is like a container. We store the simple data. Let's see the example. Int age is equal to 22. Int is a data type for the particular value, and age is the name whatever you have given to that. Like a second example, string name and the value. The name is can anything, and string is a data type which is used to store the string value. Like consider the we have a 22. We have a 22 is a value and it is a container, and age is a name given to that container. Let's see the data types in Java. Data types is the classification that tells the compiler what kind of data and variable can hold. It determines the size of memory allocated, the range of values that can be stored, and operations you can perform on that data type. Primitive data types, these are the basic data types built in the predefined by the languages. They stored actual values directly in the memory and highly efficient. There are 8 primitive data types in Java. Let's see. We have 4 data types. We store the whole values, means no decimal values like byte, short, int, and long. Difference between there, they store the values on different range. Float double stores the fractional values, and character is a single 16-bit Unicode character, which is in a single character. Boolean, it is a logic. You store the logical values like a true and false only. It is a 1 byte size. Let's do the practical. Create 5. You can use any IDE like IntelliJ or VS Code. Let's see the data type short. The declaration of variable is data type. What you want to give the name, what you want. Let's give the S1 and store the value 120. For the printing this value, we use system.out.println. Let's run the program and see what we get. You can use the command line prompt or you can run directly. If you are using any ID, you can run directly. Let's we get 120 here as out. Then byte stores the whole number also. Let's save and run. Let's print the character. All data types have a different ranges. Enter that long. Declare the variable. These 8 data types we have. Let's run and see the output. Here we get the output. So today we covered Java basics. In next video, we will learn OOPS concept, which is important for the interview. If you found this helpful, subscribe Code with HyperX and start your coding journey.